Now I'll show you how to customize your checkout page. So, on the theme settings, click on checkout. And here you can select a background image. I don't recommend adding gimmicky images like busy images. However, if you have got like a delicate background that you really want to have it on your checkout page, you can add it here. However, adding any distractions can kill sales, so I don't recommend going too crazy with customizing your checkout page. You can add logos. So let's go for the same image that I used for Favicon. There it is, and select. It will be very small, but it's just to show you how it will look like. Okay, now you can specify where the logo in the cart or in the checkout page will be located, so either left, center, or right, so you can change it. And obviously which size. If you had bigger file size, so it will be easier to see the difference. Main content area. So okay, so the background was for banner. Okay, I see. So that was the background for banner. So if you wanted to go to have like a banner at the top, and now you can also add a background for the main area. Okay, and the background color, I'll leave it as white. Form field, I'll leave as white as well. Order summary, so background image. So obviously these are different elements you can add backgrounds to. As I mentioned, I wouldn't be gimmicky with customizing the checkout because you don't want to distract the buyers from putting their personal details, their card details, and so on. And obviously, you can change the headings, the font of the headings and the body, and the colors of the accents, buttons, and error text. And when finished, simply click Save.